This is a trickle charger. Do you have one of these to charge your backup batteries for your Ecoflow unit? In this video we're going to find out what the best ones are to use and how to use it. Don't worry if you don't have one of these trickle chargers. In a previous video you'll see how you can use your Ecoflow unit just like a trickle charger. When you want to charge your backup battery for your Ecoflow, which device do you use? Do you use this one, the traditional trickle charger, or do you use this one, the Series Pro 12 multi-battery charger? At first glance this may seem like a daunting task, all these wires, but it's really not. If you look over here at the trickle charger, it looks much simpler, and it is a little bit, but let's find out how to use both. As you can see, this trickle charger is already attached to the backup battery, a deep cycle marine battery that I use for backup. How does it work? As you can see, this battery is in need of a charge. When it was plugged in, it jumped right up to 5 amps. Now it's going down to 3. It'll go down to all the way to 1 when it's done charging. That's how you know it's working good. Now you can put this on a faster charge. You can put it on a slower charge, then moving it down to 2 amps, and then it goes down to not needing much. Slowly but surely is always the best way to charge a battery. Pretty simple with this charger. The Ready Pulse 12 is designed to handle 12 batteries at a time. This is meant to be hanged on a battery rack. So if you have multiple backup batteries, this is a good choice. You can see it's hooked up to the battery. What is it doing? How do you read it? Let me swing around so you can see this. See how it's flashing red and one of the middle lights is flashing green? That's the backup battery we have attached to it. It's flashing green because it's ready and you can take a charge. A few last words on charging. Don't ever leave your Ecoflow unit alone when it's charging if at all possible. And don't leave your batteries, your backup batteries that you're charging alone. Make sure that you're able to watch them, make sure everything stays nice and safe. So anyway, thank you for watching. Hope these instructions were helpful to you. Until next time, this has been Ecoflow Power for Living on HMP.